Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I was editing my latest video, which is about the navigation systems on the 1250 RT, when I came across a little gem on the cutting room floor. I thought I'd share it with you. Enjoy.
For the rest of the trip. Looks like they've put the shitty road surface down, but long enough ago that all the stones have been pushed in and washed away. Hands up if you hate that kind of road surfacing. Surface dressing is what they call it in the UK. They just throw some bitumen down, throw some stones down, and say that'll do. We'll let the traffic crush it all down in. We won't have to invest in any road rollers or anything like that. And if we're lucky, the traffic will do such a good job we won't even have to sweep the stones up afterwards. Maybe we'll do that as an afterthought. And it's particularly problematic because they don't know ahead of time exactly when they're going to be able to do it. Because you need particular weather conditions for it to work. And so they have to operate on it's like a 2 weeks notice thing. So as a motorcyclist, you constantly have to be on your guard. You constantly have to be looking up the roadworks websites and try and figure out when your favourite roads are going to be ruined in this way. Now usually in the UK this starts around May, just when you want to get out, you know, it's when the rains of April have stopped and the roads are getting dry and the weather's getting just warm enough to be lovely before the oppressive heat of summer comes in. And that's when they start doing the roadworks, that's when they start putting this surface dressing down. It's almost like they hate motorcyclists or something. Almost. Heaven forbid that it's actually true that the establishment hates motorcyclists, so it's just like, it's almost, that's what it seems. But of course this year, things happened, and essential workers only, and everyone stay in your homes, etc, etc. So of course this year, they figured, oh, there won't be many motorcyclists out during May, because they'll all be locked up at home. Let's delay the roadworks until we know that the motorcyclists are coming out. That seems to be what they've done.